Okay. So I have started recording. It will record, not to worry. So here today what we'll do? Today we'll know how to install. How to install our Linux OS. So for that you need prerequisites of what? VMware. If your system doesn't have VMware, please install it. Okay. If you don't know how to install, for your so here you can just go for VMware download. Any version you can download. Okay, already I have. Don't download this one, player. Some people do player. It will not work. Workstation. Check properly and do it. Do not download player. Why? Somebody done or what? Oh, we know they done. I have to check. Okay. So first of all, you will get this page. Once you download, you will get this page. Visible, na? Yes, sir. So what you have to do? Create a new virtual. I'm going from the base. Whoever doesn't know also, they can understand. Create a virtual machine. Don't go with custom, go with recommended. You're not presenting the screen, sir. Not sharing this. Right. You know my mistakes, na? Remember, I forget to record and I forget to share screen also. Okay, screen share, fine. So it will come as recommended. Go with this one only, typical. Don't go for custom. In custom, you have to choose. So here, go with typical. Just go with next. Here, always keep this. I will install the operating system later. Because if you give this, now only you have to give. So always keep like this. Because in real time also, first we assemble our hardware. Then only we do this. Next, choose version. Whichever version you want. So normally I'm doing 7 now. I'll go with 7. Okay. Name. I'll just keep. $20 GB is more than enough. If you have more space, you can give. In single file. Next. Hardware requirement. Finish. Now while installing your Linux OS, okay. Hold a second, my one is volume. Remember,
कस्टम हार्डवेयर में जाने का है नहीं फिनिश करके छोड़ देंगे
will not do it. Just go typical, go next, check your drive size, store into single drive. This is what while doing VMware. Once you install, when you start installing, remember two things you have to do. If you want in graphical mode and network adapter to be added. By default, network adapter will not add in VMware. When I install this one, I have to go somewhere as system information. There I have to select my GUI version. And in down tools will be there where I have to add my Ethernet card. So this one you don't do, it will not work. Just a minute. Enough.
Exact 12 साढ़े 7 class और रचना आ गया ये ना नंबर का एक देखने का दो से सुन ले रहा और जितने
Okay. So here, while you click on this power on this virtual machine, before that, remember to give your OS. Is it repeating? This is as per recording. Don't go with my recording. Might be I have kept an E driver. Wherever you keep, remember that. Huh? We will do on 7.3. In cloud, we will do on 8.0. Now start. 1 GB, fine. 2 GB is fine. You want to increase, you can increase. Hardware requirement is minimum 1 GB and 10 GB of space. Minimum. Here, tap once inside the screen. There you can go inside. Now, if you press the up arrow, you can see the cursor becoming white color. To select. Now, troubleshooting are not going to do. Testing will not do. That will work or not. Any system, Linux will work. Because our Windows or whatever, Linux is the base. Unix means DOS. So Linux will work everywhere. Just click on install. If you need graphical, then you have to see two things. If you don't want, you can just go next, giving password, it will work. But I want to install graphical, so 2 steps have to follow. That I will show. First language. If you know some Chinese language, you can select or just go continue. Okay. Here, this installation source, software selection, install destination, always be in pop-up like this, no red color. If something comes in red color, you will not get this option. See, begin installation will not come. So first thing, this is fine. This one you have to do. Software selection. Here it is written over here, minimal, means less resources. Here I have to click on this, scroll down, server with GUI. Click on this. After that, we're done. That's it. Here, by default, it will be tick mark. Just move it once, give it again. Reselect. By default, it will not. Like in Windows, what happens whenever you put it OS, directly it will come and start formatting. Here, if it is there also, it will say I don't have. So you have to go and tick once, and then do done. Now it is gone. Now you can see begin installation. If you want to add your IP at the Ethernet virtual interface, okay, see it is written over here, not connected. Okay, you have to just click this, switch it on. In starting only. Later on, if you do, it will not work. First, you have to do this. These two things you have to change. First thing, from minimal installation to server with GUI. Second thing, Ethernet port, you have to make it on. If you don't make it on, while doing an IP configuration, you will face problem. Okay, that should be there.
CUA option also is there.
What?
CUA option.
Minimal information is there. If you do with this, you get all the debugging tool, all those things will be there. So I'll go with GUI. You have to understand. Like if I was talking about virtualization host, correct? On fifth number, you can see what type of host you want. You can choose. Like if you are doing in Linux, this one, no? Sorry, Windows. Hypervisor. Same concept. You have to install, you have to select on that, go to the hypervisor, on the hypervisor. Same thing. So presently for starting I need this, I'll select on this. These options, if required, you can do. So I will do something, not now, later on. Today is only installation. After selecting, press done. Now once you begin installation, it will ask you username and password. That means to keep. Like by default, what is the username for server?
Administrator.
So here by default it is root. Yes, you have to start. It will give you pop-up one dialog that I need password. You have to give the password, and then you have to wait for minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Then installation will be done. So same thing I'm doing. Begin installation. Root password is not set. If you don't give this password, it will stop here only. It will go up to 90% will stop. So you have to keep. In Windows also, if you remember server, you have to give passwords. One pop-up will come on server password. If you don't do, you cannot go next. Same thing here. So I'm giving password ist@123. ist@123. Done. 2 times finish. User creation will not do from here. We'll do from our command prompt. Anyhow, I have given them the user creation. Answer. Here I will. Now it will take you minimum some time, 10-15 minutes. Okay. Now if you have a printer, you can give it to me, I can give the voice in the meantime. Install your system for 1 week. After that, we don't need, we'll do all everything. For 1 week, install this. If you don't have space or I don't have space and all, you can do one thing, delete all the files. Install this and keep it for practice. And if you have your laptop, please bring your laptop. Huh? There you can practice. If half persons are bring laptop, they can see with each other. Anybody more interest? Only one? In Windows Server, whenever you install, you have to install that VMware tool. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Here not. Here not. It will come automatically. For VMware tool, it will not. Sorry. Any more context? I have to format a pen drive, huh? No space. Huh? I have to check. What? What's the sorry? Pass. Anjali. Done. Working. All. OSPI, I gave everything. Which one? Which one? Tomorrow will finish now? Okay. I will delete from here Windows 10 and Windows Server. Some files are there, not going. I will delete some files. I'll delete. Jagdish.
VMware is there, no, sir.
Ah.
VMware is.
I'll delete.
Eight.
Format it.
Sir, VMware.
What? His pen drive, na? Whose pen drive is this? Ah, then fine. Format na? I'll keep these. I'll keep the. See, I'll format only na. You want VMware software, no? By tomorrow, format everybody, sir. Make install this one. It will take some time. If you don't have, come early. I'll give you all the software and you can just finish it up. So when I practice here, you should also practice. We're done. Reboot. Here license information, same way you have to go with the agreement. Click on here, accept this license, and then done. That's it. If you don't agree, don't install. There's no other option, you have to agree on it. Just don't read it. Don't waste your time on reading and all those things. Yes, agree, tick, finish. So here again language, normally you can do next. Next. Time zone is given. This one you can skip. Like you want to attach a Google Drive or own cloud, you can. First, one user you have to create. My name, password, everything. This is a user. First one is root. This is normal user login. Whenever any system you log in, you don't get user access. Sorry, you don't get root access. You get always user access. So one user you have to create. So start using it. It is working. It should come into full screen. So your Linux server is ready. So by tomorrow, I want this to be ready for everybody's PC. If any problem is facing, come early before 12 o'clock and let me know. Okay, first we'll solve this one. Because here everything will practice. Whatever I have written here now, we'll do this thing. And I'll go slowly with this batch. So Linux is not like Windows, you know, everything click, 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 click. Everything is command. So one by one, I'll give one command list also. That command list also you can practice. If something is not working, you come direct. So every 1 hour I will do half an hour I will practice here and let me know. And finish the topic here only and go. Yeah. हाँ बोलो. ऑल्टरनेटिव कुछ मैं घर जाऊंगा नेटवर्क नहीं मिलेगा आपको वहाँ पे. मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैं ट्राई कर सकता हूँ. नेटवर्क नहीं मिलेगा मुझे मत बोलना. मैं दे सकता हूँ. अब टेलीफोन में तो प्रॉब्लम हाँ ऑन में जाकर ऑन करता हूँ. होता है प्रॉब्लम होने से वही. हम लोग यहाँ पर पावर का इशू चल रहा है. चलो आप लिंक करो मैं देखता हूँ क्या होता है. ठीक है. हेलो आप हाँ आप बना दो आप देखेंगे. नहीं ठीक है आप एक ग्रुप बनाओ. मैं वहाँ पे 12 बजे लिंक भेज दूंगा. मैं जीमेल में भेज दूंगा. ठीक है. क्लास नहीं. हाँ you understood? So for today I'll keep it here. By tomorrow finish all these things. If you want to do now, do it right now. Already I have given some. Do it now. And once you do, remember you have to shut it down. So you know, I think you know how to shut it down. Just power, shut down. Don't delete. Tomorrow will come and say, sir, I have installed, now it's not there.